Hey, YouTube, welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you did so. My name is Jason Jordan. I'm an affiliate marketer and network marketer. I have a lot of different products that I support, and my channel is all about showing people how to make money. There's a lot of ways out there, and if you can have one place to go to learn a little bit about the products and see how they're working, then I think that'd be convenient. And so that's why I do this. So I've got playlists all made up inside here with several different businesses that I run. And today I'm going to continue on the traffic path. So how to get good traffic and some of the places that you can find good traffic and still stay within a budget. So today we're going to go through MyLeadGenSecret. Now this is traffic that I use daily. This is a daily email that you can send out, and I'll get logged in. Another way it works is, so basically if you open an account, it's $1 a day for 100 leads. So every single day when you come in here, there are going to be 100 leads loaded in here, cold leads, and they come from all over the place, partners with the business, and people that are interested in, have looked into making money online or have opted in here and there. So this is cold leads, and you're sending out 100 new leads per day. Now the other leads, all that you collect, stay in here and you email them every day. Okay, so I've already done mine today, but I'm still going to just run through this and kind of show you how it works. Now, my recommendation is you want to set it up so you have several accounts. Generally, I run 5 accounts for a business opportunity that I'm running for. That way I'm sending out a ton of emails and really getting my links out there, getting eyes on them, okay? So you come in here, you'd sign up for your account. I just logged in, and it's really easy to do. And there's also some master swipes in here. You have to go buy those. I think it's $30 to buy the swipes. I think you don't really need them, but it may help if you're just starting out. But what you do, you get ready, and every morning this is what I do. I come in and I hit mailing system, and I'll go down and I select my leads. So right now, this account in particular is going to email 38,600 people. It'll be tomorrow because I've already emailed today. You don't have to worry about this. And then this will save your previous emails that you've sent in here. So let's say you want to reuse something or reuse a subject line, you can come down here and you can pick from the ones you've already used. And, let's say if you want to use that one, I can push load. There's my subject line. And then down below, it's going to go ahead and load that email up for me. So now if I wanted to come in and change this a little bit here and there, or if I wanted to use this exact email, or whatever I wanted to do for that day, if it's an email that did really well, and I want to go ahead and send it out again, because you are getting new leads as you go. So the people that have already seen this email, chances are that they may not see this again because not everybody is clicking on everything. It's just kind of, and I'll show you some of the stats here in a second. But you could send this out again and you would have an additional new group in there. So what you do, you'd write your email. I put my link right here. So what I did was I highlighted there, and okay, there's my link. I put my link in there, clicked OK. Now it's ready to go. I clicked perfect timing. And then of course you can see I can't send this yet. I would have to wait till tomorrow morning. I always send these out first thing in the morning under perfect timing. And then that would be done for the day. and I go through every one of my accounts. I've got 10 accounts with this system, and I go through every day and I email all of my leads. Okay. Now I get a lot of leads from these, and I get good sales through this system as well. So really, you don't even need to, you're not even going to send a capture page out with this system. These leads come in and they stay in here as your leads. So this just becomes your mailing system. Okay. Now, anything else that you would do, you would want to send your capture page out so that you capture those leads. Like if you were using, if you're just sending a link out in on an ad, or you have a link posted somewhere, you don't want to post your capture page. But with this system right here, you don't need to do that because these leads are your leads and they're going to stay in here. So you've already got them. You've already got their information. It just comes over automatically and you don't have to do anything else with it. Now you will see, you probably saw on these, oh, here we go. These right here, this is showing, well, it was showing, I can't email on this. Let me show you on this account. Let me go into here. Now you're going to notice, like on this account and a few of these accounts, there's 200 leads. So that's 200 every day that are coming in. Now, the reason that's 200 is because I went in, I paid for the service, I pay monthly, and then once you make a sale, if you sign up to be an affiliate for this, which you'll get it automatically. When somebody signs up through your link, okay, now you get to they add an additional 100 leads every day. So now you can build this faster. So I just started this account recently and started up to 24,000. So it builds really fast, and there's a good way to do that, and for you to sign up for multiple accounts. What you do is daisy chain your accounts. I'll show you how to do that in one of the next videos. But this one, I just wanted to give a quick run through of how you can use this system. Whenever you're going to make a full email yourself, you would just go in here, you would find a good subject line, and you can look up good subject lines online. You can also take the opportunity you're promoting and kind of see in there some key factors with that opportunity and then use that for your subject line. Okay. And you can go and take key factors from your opportunity and pull it out to make this. You want to get rid of all this. And you can pull those key factors out of your opportunity, the wording or the video, and you can put that in here. So it all kind of ties together and kind of flows congruent. Okay. Then you'd come down, you'd hit perfect timing, and then you would send this out. Now, this system right here is $30 a month, which equals, so it's about $1 a day. So it's $1 a day. You get 100 leads loaded in there every single day. So you can really build this up pretty fast and be emailing a huge list. And then you can check all your statistics in here. Now, I don't know how great the statistics are, but it does show. So this was this morning, 2 clicks so far, but this will go all day. But like yesterday, you'll see here 2,475 opens, 248 clicks. This one, 23,600. Okay. And you can see kind of how these go. Now, this will just keep building and keep building and keep building. And by the time this account gets to be a year old or so, you can have 100,000 or so leads inside there that you're emailing. So, I mean, that's a lot of traffic to get to your opportunity. So really, I just wanted to kind of give an introduction today on MyLeadGenSecret. Now, if you if you like videos like this and like instructions like this, please subscribe. Don't forget. And also, there will be a link below this video for this system and other traffic systems as well. I run several different traffic systems. This is just one of those. Stay tuned for the next video where I will show you how to go in and open multiple accounts and be able to daisy chain those. So you get the more leads, and you also basically make commission on yourself. Okay, so it ends up being a little bit cheaper for you. All right, guys, appreciate you being here. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.